मैंने सोचा कि भगवान की शरण में ही आज जो रखा हुआ है सामान, पराठे वराठे, वो कुछ खा लें। About to start to Arakku. It's close to, what's the time now?
8:45.
8:45. So earlier we thought we will be able to start around 8ish, but not possible. So we'll be going past Jagdalpur, Jaipur, and then to Arakku, and we'll be staying 30 kilometers away from Arakku towards Vizag. That is Anantagiri Hills. So we'll be staying at a resort, Harita Resort, run by AP Tourism. So final goodbye to the waterfall. Yeah. So we are going further east with and towards little south to Arakku Valley. So that's the part of the Eastern Ghats. Passing through Jagdalpur. Just following the Google. I'm not very familiar with the roads. If you are visiting Jagdalpur as a tourist, then there are three options to stay. One is where we stayed, very near to the Chitrakoot waterfall. There are 2-3 resorts. The best one is maintained by the CG Tourism, where we stayed, the Dami resorts. That's about 45 minutes to 1 hour away from Jagdalpur. So when you are coming from Raipur, then that's the better place to stay. And if you are visiting, you want to club some places to be seen at Jagdalpur, or want to be in the city, then there are few hotels in the city, and there is another resort just I think about 5 kilometers on the route towards Chitrakoot Falls, which is called as Naman Bastar. So that's another place. So join some sort of a highway, four-lane highway, which is next town would be Jaipur. So it's spelled as Jeypore, and sounds similar to Jaipur. So from there is another diversion which will take us towards Arakku. It shows Visakhapatnam 295. So with that, I will reveal the next destination. So we'll be going to Vizag and then spending there a couple of days. So, some sort of industry on the left side. NMDC. Wow. So many watchtowers there. So pretty huge. So we have just entered Odisha. So there is a small stretch of Odisha which we will be crossing, going towards Jaipur. Looking to have a stopover to have a water break. There is a long stretch of Eastern Ghats which is there in Odisha as well. Few of the very beautiful places in Odisha, which is not very far from here. However, from tourism point of view, they are still underdeveloped. We could find many of the people from Vizag coming to Chitrakoot Falls. So if developed nicely, these places can be a good tourism spots. North to Vizag, there is a Gopalpur in Odisha, which is again a fabulous place. And then the whole stretch of Eastern Ghats is just kind of running west to the sea coast, like Western Ghats. The Eastern Ghats also run along the coastline. So we crossed Kotpad in Orissa. So next destination is Boriam Gumma. It's another. These are all small towns in between. Hills can be seen on either side. Nice cool breeze blowing outside. It's about 11 o'clock, 11:15. Taking a right turn, say in about 110 meters. Is this the road? जयपुर ये रोड है क्या? जयपुर ये रोड अच्छा रोड गुड. ये रोड कैसा है? रोड कैसा है? अरक्कू जाना. अरक्कू वैली. ये 153 बताने लगा उधर से 146 था. एक मिनट, लेट मी फिगर आउट. गूगल ना आजकल विथ आवर पचमढ़ी एक्सपीरियंस आई एम नॉट वेरी. जयपुर वाला ये रास्ता है. 15 मिनट्स स्लोअर बता रहा है उसको. तो ये अपन सीधा ही चलते हैं, है ना? जयपुर क्यों जाना है? अरक्कू वैली जाने के लिए. अरक्कू इधर से ये ज़्यादा बेटर है क्या? मेन रोड. ओके ठीक है, लेट्स गो विद दिस रोड. ये वाली रोड तो एकदम छोटी दिख रही है यार. चलो.
सर जीरो देखिए.
Crossed Koraput 10 minutes back. So still 120 odd kilometers to go. In between there were nasty road stretches of road, so couldn't record those. Around 3 odd kilometers, 4 kilometers, there was no road at all, and ups and downs, and it was totally off-road kind of thing. So there was some constructions going on across the river, slowed us down tremendously. The railway line going across. There is a picturesque railway line from Jagdalpur to Vizag via Arakku Valley. दोपहर के 1:20 हुए हैं. We are still about 100 kilometers from Arakku Valley. So after searching for about an hour for any eateries or dhaba sort of thing, or at least chai shop, couldn't find anything. So thought to stop because it was already we had traveled for 4 hours, so we wanted to have a stopover. So chose a nice old खंडहर sort of. हमने सोचा कि भगवान की शरण में ही आज जो रखा हुआ है सामान, पराठे वराठे, वो कुछ खा लें. I knew that this will be a problem. This route probably won't have that good a place to eat, so we had some parathes kept with us. So we'll have it. No chai तो नसीब नहीं होगी. Probably have a look around. A small मंदिर sort of, some old structure. पेड़ वेड़ है, कम से कम यहाँ बैठ के we can have some food. While spending some time here, notice that all these temples have a shivling on top. At least I have not noticed a similar architecture before.